Terrorist activities now on the rise in Jammu and Kashmir. The terror attack started with Riyasi, where Pakistan-sponsored terrorists attacked pilgrims. Then the terrorists eventually attacked Kathua, now Doda. 3 days, 3 terror strikes. The policemen have been injured on Wednesday in a fresh encounter between terrorists and security forces in Doda. These are the visuals of injured cops. The police there, identified as Constable Farid Ahmed, who was posted with the Special Operations Group. Fierce exchange of fire between the two sides was ongoing when the last reports were received. In fact, police has released sketches of 4 terrorists who are suspected to be roaming in the upper reaches of Bhaderwa, Tathri and Gondal. A bounty of 20 lakh rupees has also been announced if anyone spots those terrorists. Sketches of those 4 have been released. Sunil G. Bhatt joins us live for more on that. Sunil, these are sketches that have been released by the police based on whose identification? Did they consult with the locals there, as we see clear sketches of 4 terrorists there? How did they really get the outline of it?
Well, Nabila, the security forces have been, trying to gather information and clues on ground, and that is why they are able to get certain leads as far as the movement of terrorists is concerned. On the basis of that, these sketches have been prepared and many locals are coming forward. They are, describing the exact description of those terrorists, and based on the inputs that are coming from the people, the security forces have prepared these sketches, and now hunt is on for these terrorists. The security forces have also announced cash reward for those who will give information about the terrorists. But Nabila, right now here in Jammu, activists of the Yuva Rajput Sabha are raising slogans. They are staging protests against the terrorists. They are staging protests against Pakistan, and they are saying that people of Jammu are suffering because of this new wave of terrorism, and the government must take corrective measures. Government must pursue a policy of hot pursuit. We will talk to these protesters. जिस प्रकार से जम्मू संभाग में लगातार जो आतंकी हमले हो रहे हैं, क्या कहना है आपका कि इस समय किस प्रकार की नीति सरकार को अपनानी चाहिए?
देखिए, सरकार को चाहिए कि वो कश्मीर का राग अल्पना बंद करे। जम्मू को चारों तरफ से मिलिटेंटों ने घेरा हुआ है। आप कठुआ ले लीजिए, पुंछ, रजौरी, रियासी, डोडा, किश्तवाड़, अब आगे जम्मू में भी सर्च ऑपरेशन चल रहा है। मैं कहना चाहता हूं आपके माध्यम से कि आखिर कब तक जम्मू के लोगों को इन अपने देश हित में वोट डालने का परिमाण ऐसे भुगतना पड़ेगा। हमको ये तो साजिश चलती है कि पूरा कश्मीर क्लियर करके आज उन्हें क्या लगता कश्मीर का
आपका लगता है कि अब जम्मू आतंक का नया गढ़ बन रहा है, आतंकवादी घूम रहे हैं और मासूम लोगों को निशाना बना रहे हैं?
ये 90 का दौर जो कश्मीर में था, अब वो पूरे का पूरा डाइवर्ट करके जम्मू की तरफ उन्होंने फेंक दिया हुआ है। हमें तो ये पता नहीं चल रहा कि ये लगातार अब इलेक्शन का माहौल खत्म हुआ है।
Nabila, you just heard from the protesters here. They are saying that now the focus of the terrorists is Jammu region, and situation that was prevailing in the Kashmir Valley in 90s, something like that is now happening in Jammu region, and it's a matter of huge concern.